You should stand on the stage and then blow it. Otherwise, see, your bubbles will be broken down.
कौन करेगा? Sir, look at here.
Slowly, okay? No need to hurry up.
Next, then I'll
See, Acha is making a big giant bubble.
Yeah.
See, Chochola also made a giant bubble. See, Samir is also making. Wow, see, Acha made a big. See, be careful, be careful. Otherwise, now don't go on this. Otherwise, you'll slip down.
फिश पे आ रहा है भाई ला
See, Chocho Samir is making a giant big bubble. See, see, Acha also. Once more, okay? One more time.
क्यों बोल रहा है
लो
See, it's flying up.
काम ऑपरेशन
What kind of sister?
Wow, big. it went. I was trying to blow up. Wow, Acha is doing good. See, Chuchu Samir.
तुम सुनो सुनो यार क्या होता है ये
आई विल कम
ये अरे
या
See. So good. See, one is flying up. See.
My one.
See.
It's very small. It is plus. Because it's a
Try karo, try.
See.
Acha is really making a giant bubble. See. Wow. Blow up, blow. Slowly, slowly. Not with pressure, okay? Not too quickly, slowly throw it. Otherwise, see, bubble will burst. See, wow, wow,
Rinchu
wow, wow.
making.
Rinchu. See. Not too quickly. Slowly, okay? Oh, sorry, sorry.
I just slowly, sir. Slowly, sir.
Too good, too. It's not coming because I'm not having bubbles.
Sir, किसने नंबर saying chutku to bubble?
See. Do. Slowly, slowly, okay? Good.
जो mega giant के sister के साथ.
See.
So let me try. Wait, side you.
Now it will blast.
See, will not blast
Why?
because it's having. See.
Why are you throwing?
Blow up, blow up. Slowly, okay?
Wow.
It's okay. Sorry.
Slowly.
What?
Oh.
See.
Yeah.
Slowly. Are you outside? Side.
See, Rinchu is making a big. Oh, don't do like that.
Mama, don't have you.
Now this is the last and final. Oh, blow it, throw it slowly, okay? Gently. See, one is flying up. Giant bubble. Rinchu is making a giant bubble. See.
Children, give.
See.
Children, give.
Now this is about to blast.
Don't touch Pina. I can blast it.
Why there is spherical bubble? It's all because of surface tension. Surface tension.
Power. Bubble power.
Slowly. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Blow up, 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 up. Blow slowly. Now it will blast. Now last few bubbles and then we'll go to class. Slowly. See, giant bubble.
Giant bubble.
No, blow up, up. Not too, not with force, okay? Gently. I don't throw it quickly, slowly, then it will be much better. Oh, sorry, sorry. Oh, sorry.
ऐसे आता
क्या कर रहा है ये? इतना जल्दी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, धीरे धीरे.
ऐसे अच्छा नहीं है सर मेरा कुछ हो गया
Wow. Acha, you should stand up. See, you should go on top of the stage, then you can do it. Then it will fly up.
I did not open.
Because of the wind, it's blowing too fast. Acha, Salonila, how did you prepare the bubble soap?
First, we add in distilled water,
Okay.
and the second step is we add dishwasher, liquid soap, and then third matter is glycerin
Why we are adding glycerin?
to to make the moisture around the bubble.
Okay, covered around the so they it will prevent blasting or popping up of the bubble, right?
Yep.
Thank you so much.